Welcome to the TopPick lab. The best cylinder head stand is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools in any automotive workshop, playing a critical role in the efficient and safe handling of cylinder heads during engine rebuilds or repairs, ensuring that these heavy and delicate components are supported securely, preventing damage and strain on mechanics, and ultimately contributing to a smoother and more professional workflow for both DIY enthusiasts and seasoned professionals alike. Number 5. Juvale Velvet Headband Holder Stand. Tired of messy accessories? This stand offers a stylish and practical way to keep your headbands and bracelets organized and within reach. Showcase your items beautifully in your boutique or at trade shows. Its freestanding design makes it easy to place anywhere, adding a touch of sophistication. Crafted with a sturdy build and covered in soft gray velvet, it's both durable and visually appealing. It's the perfect display for any setting. With ample space, it holds various accessories, preventing tangles and keeping everything neat. It's ideal for organizing headbands, bracelets, and other fashion essentials. This organizer is perfect for girls and women, providing a sleek and efficient way to sort hair accessories and more. Achieve a clutter-free environment effortlessly. What we like. This organizer offers a stylish way to keep your accessories neat. If you are looking for a blend of aesthetics and functionality for your headbands and bracelets, this is a great choice. Its design makes it perfect for personal use or for displaying items in a boutique setting. What people say. It's very sturdy and fits a lot of headbands. As shown in the photos, it does the job and organizes my headbands well. I think the unattached supports are both great and annoying. They're great because it offers you flexibility of where to put headbands, if you need it to go further in or out, but it does make it less sturdy than a normal one of these, and it's annoying when it's in a drawer, like I have it, and needs to be moved. Great product for organizing my daughter's many headbands. As you can see from the photo, it fits 24 skinny headbands. Number 4. BILITOOLS Cylinder Head Stand Holder Tool. This tool is designed to securely hold cylinder heads in place during maintenance or inspection. It prevents slips, ensuring safe and hassle-free work. Featuring tapered leads, it fits almost any head bolt hole size. This makes it versatile for various engine types and models. With individual stands, it accommodates wider cylinder heads. This provides flexibility for different engine configurations. The 9-inch tall design offers an ergonomic working position. This allows for better visibility and access when cleaning or inspecting. It provides a sturdy base for cylinder heads during various analyses or storage. This ensures long-lasting performance and protection for your engine components. What we like. This tool provides a rock-solid foundation for engine work. If you are a mechanic or DIY enthusiast who needs to perform maintenance or modifications on cylinder heads, its secure grip and compatibility make the job much safer and easier. The ergonomic height ensures better access and visibility. What people say. This easy-to-store stand provided proper height and surprisingly good stability for everything I needed to do on the last head, including porting and final valve work. Holds everything from these small aluminum 1.8T heads to big iron 454 heads with no issue. Basic design that functions just fine. Holds an iron big block Chrysler head on a workbench without tipping over. Number 3. CompCam's 5329 Valve Train Organizer Tray. Introducing the CompCam's 5329 Valve Train Organizer Tray. Keep your engine components tidy and accessible. Transport your parts with ease thanks to the convenient, built-in handles. It's designed for your convenience. This durable polymer tray offers a neat storage solution for lifters, rocker arms, and pushrods. It's built to last. The labeled front and rear help you keep track of part locations. This makes reassembly much simpler. This essential tool is identified by part number 5329. Get organized today. What we like. Keep your engine's small parts organized and accounted for during rebuilds. If you are working on a complex engine assembly and want to avoid mix-ups with lifters, rocker arms, and pushrods, this tray's labeled sections and easy-to-carry design are invaluable. It simplifies reassembly significantly. What people say. Kept everything super organized and in order during my motor build. Nice and of solid construction. Better than some of the cheap plastic versions that cost less. I use this tray for rocker arms, rods, bolts, and lifters. Keeps everything in order and easy to access when it comes to reassemble my valve train. Number 2. CompCam's 4974 Pro Head CC Kit. Introducing the CompCam's Pro Head CC Kit, designed for accurate liquid measurement. Its precision scales ensure you get the exact volume you need every time. This kit is compatible with virtually any liquid you need to measure. From fuels to additives, it handles it all with ease. Everything you need is in the box. It includes a 100 cubic centimeters precision glass burette, a sturdy stand and clamp assembly, and a sealing plate. The burette features scales marked in 0.2 cc increments for highly accurate readings. This allows for fine-tuning and precise adjustments. With clear instructions included, setup and use are straightforward. Get reliable results for your projects with this comprehensive kit. What we like. Achieve accurate volume measurements for various liquids. If you need a reliable tool for engine building, tuning, or any application requiring precise liquid measurement, this kit offers everything you need. Its high-quality components ensure dependable results every time. What people say. Seems to be very high quality and all parts were included as described. Really looking forward to putting it to good use on an upcoming engine build. Number 1. JEGS Dial Indicator Stand Bridge. Introducing the JEGS Dial Indicator Stand Bridge, proudly made in the USA. This tool is designed for precision measurements when the cylinder head is off the block. It extends over bores up to 4 to 7/16 inches, making it incredibly versatile. You can use it to check piston to deck clearance with ease. This stand is perfect for checking the flatness of heads or blocks, as well as runout. It ensures accuracy for many critical measurements. It works seamlessly with most standard dial indicators. You can also pair it with the JEGS dial indicator part number 555 to 81605 for enhanced functionality. Featuring a hard anodized finish, this tool is built for durability and longevity. Its high-quality components ensure it will last for years to come. Crafted with pride in the USA, this stand represents quality and reliability. Trust in its superior components and assembly for all your measurement needs. What we like. This stand allows for critical measurements directly on the engine block. If you are a builder or mechanic who needs to check piston to deck clearance, head flatness, or runout with precision, this tool is essential. Its robust, USA-made construction ensures it can handle demanding tasks. What people say. The stand is sturdy and well-built, making it easy to work on the cylinder head. It holds the cylinder head securely in place, allowing for precise adjustments and repairs. The adjustable arms accommodate different sizes of cylinder heads, providing versatility. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.